Ever wondered why your cat purrs? In the next few seconds, you'll uncover amazing facts about cats that you probably didn't know. Cats have been companions to humans for nearly 9,000 years. Did you know cats can make over 100 different sounds? Their purring isn't just for happiness, it can also signify pain or distress. A cat's whiskers are incredibly sensitive and can detect changes in the environment. They spend around 70% of their lives sleeping, which is about 13 to 16 hours a day. Ever noticed your cat rubbing its face against objects? It's marking its territory with scent glands. Cats don't actually taste sweetness. Their hearing is significantly better than humans, and they can rotate their ears 180 degrees. Like what you see? Subscribe for more engaging facts.